Hello guys, today we will discuss CSIR NET 2018 June booklet A question number 87. It is a 4 marks question. This is the question on your screen. So here these two compounds are given and the hydrolysis rate, rate of the reaction with this NaOAC and ACOH is they asked, and whatever the compound will go faster and whatever the geometry of the product we have to determine. Okay, so we will come for the mechanistic details of this reaction. So this is a case of neighboring group participation reaction, and I will come first discussion with the compound A. This is the compound A. So you see this is the structure because both are in the trans position. So one is above bond and one is below bond, and this is here in this structure both the substituents are in the equatorial position, and it will go for a ring flipping where both the substituents are in the axial position. So this is quite unstable because of the 1,3 diaxial interaction. So though in this mode the reaction is more suitable, because you can see the sigma star orbital of this CO of OTS is like this. Okay, and this oxygen can easily donate the electron in the sigma star orbital. Okay, so the NGP or neighboring group participation can take place here. This is the neighboring group, right, and it is participating in the reaction. So the neighboring group participation will take place, and it is a SN2 type of reaction, and hence the backside attack will be happen, and this leaving group will leave that compound. So what will form? This will form. So this O double bond O. So this positive charge, this will form. Okay, so this is the intermediate. What will form? So we can write it like this. So we can write it like this. So this both are in the above, right? So both are in the above. So this is the structure. So this can go for a equivalent resonating structure like this, and it can come like this. So this both are the equivalent resonating structure. Okay, so this double bond O. So this is the equivalent resonating structure. So now, so this intermediate is this intermediate, and this will go for a further SN2 type of reaction. So there is a sequential 2 SN2 type of reaction is happening here. So this will go and this will remove, and what will form? This will form. So this will be the OAC, because this OCOCH3 is the OAC, and here also it will come OAC. So we can see a ring flip can happen because it is not so stable because the axial orientation. So it will go like this. So it will form after ring flipping. It will form like this. So OAC and OAC. So both are in the equatorial position. So you can write it is like this. So both are in the, one is in the above and another is in the below. So trans is the stereochemistry of the product. Okay. So for the compound B, what will happen? You can see this is the orientation where the both are in the cis, means both are in the above bond. Okay, and this is the antibonding orbital of this sigma star of CO bond. Okay, but this lone pair of the oxygen cannot donate its electron through the antibonding because it's so far, and if the ring will flip where the both, so one is axial and one is equatorial. So actually here also one is axial and one is equatorial and one is axial. So this one and this one has the equal energy nearly, and you can see here also this sigma star orbital is so far from this oxygen lone pair and it cannot donate its electron here. So therefore no NGP is possible in this case. Okay, so in this case what will happen? A normal SN2 type of reaction will happen, and this OTS will remove. So this will form. So OAC and OAC. So this means one is above and one is below. So here also the trans product will form. Okay. So now guys, we have to understand that where the NGP will happen, that will be the faster reaction, because the NGP will help to form an intermediate which is so unstable, and the next step is quite easier. So therefore this NGP will take very less time. So wherever the NGP will happen, their reaction time will be reduced. So hence the A will go faster in the reaction and it will form the trans product. So we'll see the options. So among these options we can see here in the option number 1 the A reacts faster than the B, which is correct, and it will form a trans product. But in these two cases it's a cis product, so it is not the correct answer. So here and here this trans product is there, but here B reacts faster, that is not true. So therefore this is not the correct answer. Hence the option number 1 is the correct answer. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you understand the mechanism. I will come for the next video tomorrow. Thank you so much. Please like, comment and subscribe this channel.